Hello my dear students, welcome to computer class 2, and today we will do the worksheet given on page number 45. Dear children, this worksheet is based on chapter 1, 2, 3 that we have already completed earlier. So let's start with question number A. Choose the correct answer. Which part of a computer works like the human brain? Dear children, the options are given below, that is CPU, keyboard or mouse, and the correct answer is CPU. The CPU works like human brain. Next question, which part of a computer is used to input the data? Keyboard, mouse or both A and B? Keyboard and mouse both are input devices, and input devices are used to enter data in computer. Input data in computer. So both are correct. C, both A and B, mark it correct. Third, the printed copy on a paper is called the, three options are there, soft copy, hard copy or record copy, and the printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Fourth one, which among the following is the feature of a computer? The options are slow, multitasking or emotional. Dear children, mark B, multitasking. Multitasking is the feature of a computer. I have marked the answers with red color. You also mark the same, mark the correct answers in the book. For your help, I have marked it here and underlined also, and do this work in copy. Next question, B. Answer in one word. What is the other name of headphones? The other name of headphone is earphone. Which key combination is used to move the cursor to top of a document? Control plus Home is used to move the cursor to the top of a document. Write the answer, Control plus Home. Which key brings the cursor to the next line? Dear children, when we are typing and press enter key, the cursor goes to the next line. So, the answer is enter key. Enter key brings the cursor to the next line. While typing, whenever you press the enter key, the cursor will go to the next line. Name the part of a computer which is used to draw pictures and play games. With the help of mouse, you can draw the picture and play games. Now, next question, C. Answer the following. Write any one advantage and disadvantage of a computer. So, you have to write here only one advantage and disadvantage, and I have explained various advantages of and disadvantages of computer. It is also given on page number 11 and 12 of your book, lesson 1. So, here I have mentioned one advantage, that is a computer works very fast without getting tired. And the disadvantage of a computer cannot take its own decision. Okay. Now next one, name the main parts of a computer. The main parts of a computer are monitor, mouse, CPU, printer and keyboard. Now next question. Third question. Write the names of any two places where computers are used. Dear children, computers are used in various places, in shops, in schools, in malls, in hospitals. But here you have to write etc. But here you have to write only two places. So I have mentioned shops and offices. Next, question number 4. Write any one difference between a computer and a man. The differences are given on page number 7 and 8, lesson 1 in your book. So, here the question is you have to write only one difference between a computer and a man. So, a computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time, whereas a man needs more time to do any work as compared to a computer. Okay? Now, students, complete this work in your book as well as in copy also. Write it neatly and then learn the spellings as well as the answers too. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.